Good morning, yogis, and welcome to my gentle wake up yoga flow to start the day on a positive note. In this flow, we'll warm up our spine and do some nice gentle stretches in a very short amount of time. You can do this flow on your yoga mat or in your bed. So let's get started. Come into a cross-legged position, sit up tall, relax the shoulders away from the ears, and bring the tops of the ears up and back. Hand palms are on the knees. Take a deep breath in through the nose, fill your belly with air, and a deep breath out through the nose. Place your palms in front of your heart in prayer position. Set your intention for the day. Namaste. And then very slowly and gently find your way down, lying down on your back. So either on your yoga mat or in your bed. And make sure to really press your lower back into the floor. We're going to massage our lower back next. So lying down with your knees up on your chest, holding the knees with your hands, and start drawing circles. It doesn't matter which direction, we'll do both sides. So just draw circles, staying focused on your breath. Head stays in the center. And then switch directions, draw circles to the other side. And slowly coming back to center with your knees, and then grab hold of your knees with your arms as if you're giving yourself a big hug. And then create a little basket by bringing your head up towards your knees. Hold and breathe. And then slowly release. Plant the left foot into the mat or your bed. And then bring the right knee up towards your chest. Hold your right knee with your hands. For a more intense option, you can lengthen the left leg out. So either the left knee is bent or the left leg is straightened, and draw circles with your right knee. And then also make sure to switch directions. From here, we'll be doing half happy baby pose. So lengthen out the right leg, hold on to the right lower leg, ankle, or the right big toe with your right hand. And then bring the right knee down towards your right side, towards the floor. For an easy option, bend the left knee. Or for a more intense option, straighten out the left leg. So just stay here and breathe, opening up the right hip. You can rest your left hand on your left thigh. And then release. Switch sides. So bring the left knee towards your chest, hold it with your hands. We're going to draw circles. So the easy option is with the right knee bent, planting the right foot into the floor, and the more intense option is with the right leg straightened out. So drawing circles with your left knee, making sure you also switch directions. Nice, and then from here, half happy baby pose. So lengthen out the left leg, grab hold of your left lower leg, ankle, or the big toe, and then pull the left knee down towards your left side, towards the floor. Easy option is the right knee bent, planting the right foot into the floor, or a more intense option, straighten out the right leg. Breathe into your left hip flexors, keeping the lower back imprinted into the floor. Good job. And slowly release. Bring your knees, both knees, towards your chest, and then cross the right leg over the left leg, stacking the knees. And then with your hands, grab the opposite ankle, or your shin, that's fine too, flexing the feet. And then gently bring your knees towards your chest, and you'll feel this. It's a nice stretch for the hips, the glutes, and the piriformis muscle. And then switch sides, crossing the left leg over the right. Grab hold of the opposite legs, lower legs, ankles, flexing the feet, and breathe. Nicely done. Slowly release. And then we're going to plant the feet into the floor with our knees up. Open the arms up like a capital T, so arms are at shoulder height. And then scoot your hips over to the right, and as you exhale, gently let your knees fall to the left side. We're going for a reclined twist. So the higher the knees are, the more intense the twist. So feel free to lower the knees as much as you need to. Keeping both shoulders on the floor, and see if you can look gently over to the right side. On your next inhale, switch sides, so bring the knees back to center, plant them down, and scoot your hips over to the left side. And as you exhale, gently let your knees fall to the right side, keeping both shoulders, once again, keeping them on the floor. And remember, the higher the knees are, the more intense the twist, so feel free to lower your knees. And then look over your left shoulder. Well done. Bring your knees back to center as you inhale, scooping the hips back to center, planting the feet into the floor. Take a nice deep breath in, stretch yourself out, arms above the head. Deep breath out. Now we're going to roll like a ball to warm up the spine a little bit. So the hands are on the backs of the knees, and then bring your feet over the head and then roll yourself forward a couple of times. Rolling like a ball. One more and then stay seated. Sit up tall, rooting the sitting bones down into the earth. Come into a cross-legged position. Relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. And then take a nice deep breath in as you lift your arms up towards the sky. Interlace your hands, palms facing the sky. And then stretch yourself out, elongating the spine. And on your next exhale, start rounding the spine with your hands interlaced above the head, but bring the hands forward. And then slowly planting the hands in front of you on the floor for a seated cat-cow. So as you inhale, you're going to arch your spine, open the chest, look forward. And as you exhale, we're going to round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, open the chest, shoulder blades move towards each other. And as you exhale, rounding the spine, shoulder blades move away from each other. Keep going. Well done. So on your next inhale, bring the hands on top of the shoulders. The fingertips are on top of the shoulders, elbows are bent, and then start drawing circles with your elbows to warm up our shoulders. And make sure you switch directions as well. Keep breathing. Relax the jaw, relax the shoulders. And slowly release. Placing the left hand on top of the left knee. For a neck stretch, inhale, bring the right hand on top of your head, and as you exhale, right ear goes through your right shoulder. Gently rest your hand on your head. Don't pull it down, just breathe. And then on your next inhale, release, switching sides, right hand on the right knee. Inhale, bring the left hand by your right ear, and then as you exhale, left ear goes to your left shoulder. Resting the left hand gently on your head. Keep breathing. Releasing tension. Inhale, release the pose, and exhale. Place the hands in front of your heart in prayer position. Take a nice deep breath in and a deep breath out. Notice your body. We're closing class. Inhale, bringing the arms up, and as you exhale, arms down. Again. Inhale, elevate the arms towards the sky, and exhale, pressing the air away. Inhale, arms up, bring all that positive energy and sunlight into your being. Hands in front of your face in prayer position, then bring it down in front of your heart. Closing the eyes, taking deep breaths. Remember your intention. And also feel gratitude for doing your yoga practice today. Thank you so much for joining me. I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.